After the magical royal wedding, Princess Elara and Prince Calen began their life together as rulers of two united kingdoms, Solaria and Oceania. The love that had brought them together also brought peace and harmony between the people of the land and the creatures of the sea. But ruling two realms was not without its challenges, and the couple had a lot to learn as they stepped into their new roles. Elara and Calen's love grew stronger every day, and soon they were blessed with children. Their family was unique and beautiful, just like the union of their two worlds. Their firstborn, a daughter named Lyra, had her mother's golden hair, but was born with shimmering scales on her arms and legs, a gift from her father's oceanic heritage. She could swim through the water with ease, her tail sparkling like the sun reflecting off the sea. Their second child, a son named Orion, was born with legs like his mother, but had the ability to communicate with sea creatures just like his father. He spent his days learning about both worlds, feeling at home whether he was running on land or diving deep into the ocean. As their children grew, they often traveled between the two kingdoms, learning about both the land and the sea. Elara and Calen made sure that their children understood the importance of harmony between the two worlds. The children would attend meetings in the grand halls of Solaria's castle and swim through the majestic underwater kingdom of Oceania, meeting with dolphins, mermaids, and sea dragons. But with this new family and new responsibilities came great challenges. Some creatures from the ocean world were still hesitant about humans, and some people of Solaria were unsure about sharing their land with the sea creatures. Elara and Calen knew that they had to set an example for both kingdoms, showing that love, understanding, and unity were the keys to peace. One day, an unexpected storm approached Solaria's coast, threatening both the land and the sea. Huge waves crashed against the shore, and dark clouds loomed over the ocean. The people of Solaria were worried, and the sea creatures were in turmoil. But Elara and Calen, along with their children, knew that they had to act quickly to protect both realms. Working together, Elara used her knowledge of the land, and Calen called upon the magic of the sea. Their children, Lyra and Orion, used their unique gifts to calm the storm. Lyra dove into the ocean, communicating with the sea creatures to guide them to safety, while Orion stood on the cliffs, sending messages to the people of Solaria, helping them to take shelter. As the storm raged on, Elara and Calen stood side by side, combining their strength. With a wave of Calen's trident, the ocean waters began to calm. Elara, using her wisdom, directed the people to higher ground, ensuring their safety. The storm eventually subsided and the skies cleared, revealing the calm, sparkling sea once again. The people of Solaria and the creatures of Oceania were amazed at how their rulers had worked together to protect them. From that day on, they trusted each other more deeply, knowing that they could rely on one another in times of need. Elara and Calen's reign as the rulers of two worlds continued to grow stronger, and their children became symbols of hope and unity. Their family showed that love could bridge even the deepest divides, and that together, anything was possible. As the sun set over the ocean, casting a golden glow on the water, Elara, Calen, and their children stood on the beach, watching the waves gently lap the shore. They knew that this was just the beginning of their journey, and that their love would continue to unite the two worlds for generations to come. And so, the story of the princess and the prince of the sea, their magical love, and their beautiful family became a legend told across both land and sea, a tale of love, unity, and the power of working together.